I'm Sean with Anthem Marine Solutions, and today we're going to be unboxing the Garmin 943 XSV. This is a 9-inch touch display. This is the XSV variant, so this does have built-in sonar. It is a single band chirp sonar input. It does have Garmin's full network capabilities, and let's get into this unboxing. When you open it up, you'll have your quick guide, documentation, and warranty information. You will have your accessories packaging. You'll have your gimbal mounting bracket with knobs. You'll have your NEMA 2000 cable, and you will have a power cable in here. You also will receive a 12 to 8-pin adapter in there to adapt to various Garmin transducers. Inside of here, you'll have your two trim covers for the top and bottom of the unit after it is mounted. You have a mounting template for flush mounting this unit. And then we have the unit itself. Good packaging. Here we have the 943. It is a 9-inch diagonal touchscreen. It is multi-touch, so you have pinch to zoom and multi-touch on the screen. It is a capacitive touch power button. A nice flush mount profile, very thin. The back of the unit, you have your power input, you have your B&C video, you have your 12-pin sonar, you have your USB micro input, you have your network input, your J1939, and NEMA 2000. All of these have covers on them except for the power cable, in case you are using this unit strictly as a standalone chart plotter. On the back of the unit, you also have your two micro SD slots under this gasketed cover. There is a micro SD pre-installed from Garmin for setting up Active Captain and getting on board with all of that. This does have a built-in 10 Hertz GPS sensor for high reception and accuracy, and it's capable of doing radar, multiple sonars with various black boxes out there. You can run one single 1 kW transducer off of here, both chirp or traditional sonar. You can run thermal cameras and night vision cameras on this unit. Thermal cameras require a PoE isolator. This is capable of being in line of every other GPS map model. So say you wanted a smaller display somewhere else on the vessel, this unit would be a great choice to add into your larger displays to have a remote display fully functional. That wraps up the unboxing video of the Garmin 943 XSV. Thanks for watching.